In this video, I'm gonna introduce you to Calendly.com, how to sign up to it, and introduce you to its user interface and use it to build a chatbot that can handle appointment booking for you. Let's get started. And here we are in Calendly's user interface, and I'm gonna break it down in a second for you guys. As you can see here, we can create events. Here are event types, meetings, the upcoming meetings, availability. Here you can change the availabilities of your events, contacts, workflows, integrations on apps, routing, upgrade plan, analytics. Here you can check how your events are doing. Admin Center, here is a chatbot. You can chat with it and ask questions. Here you can copy link and add it to our website. So now let's create an event. Select event type, select one-on-one, hit next. Let's give it a name, set the duration to 60 minutes. And here we gonna select Google Meet. Hit continue. Here are event details, hosts and invitees, scheduling settings. Here you can change the date and times of your event. Here is booking page options. Here you can change what kind of questions the Calendly is gonna ask the user to enter for booking an appointment. Here are notifications and workflows. Here you can change the notifications that the Calendly is gonna send to the user. Now let's copy its link and let's head to Voiceflow. Here is the workflow that's gonna provide appointment booking. First log is a state variable, and we're gonna paste our link that we got from the Calendly here, and we're gonna set it to a variable name or L. And the next block is a message block. Here is a HTML code that's gonna help us to embed it in a website. In this code, we're gonna put the L variable after the S or C. After that, here is a message block that says, please select a time from the calendar above. We are excited to hear from you soon. So from the previous video, we have built a customer support chatbot, and I've connected the appointment booking workflow to this. And here I've added book an appointment button. And here also I have added an intent that's gonna trigger when a user wants to book an appointment. So let's test it now. Here we're gonna set it book an appointment. So here it is. Let's select a day, time, enter our name, our email, and schedule event. Here as you can see, our event has been scheduled and we're gonna receive an email from the Calendly. Let's check our Calendly. Here in the meetings, as you can see, the appointment has been scheduled, and that's it. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to embed it in our website. So stick with me and subscribe. Thanks for watching.